worth it. All the pain you caused me, I know that we weren't perfect. I feel I have a curse that nothing I do works. And I know that you've been hurt, but I know we've had it worse, yeah. And I don't wanna fake it any more than I have to. Feeling tortured, I grab you, try to snap us both back to when I felt like I had you. It just feels like a bad mood, but you're turning your back soon. I've been stabbed in the back too. So it's over now, it's over now. There's no way we can work it out, can't work it out. Every word that's coming out your mouth is filled with doubt. I don't have time to figure out what that's about. I don't wanna break you down, but I could feel your emotion, and there's nothing to open. I just think that we're broken. I could feel the erosion, like the coast to the ocean. Every day we're approaching just another explosion. To fall asleep, just to fall asleep. I think I'm in too deep, yeah. I just need to fall asleep, put my mind at ease. Don't wanna think, just breathe, yeah. Hey yeah! Hey yeah! Hey yeah! Hey yeah! I burn that shit like a major laser, earn that shit like major paper. I melt that beat like a fucking getter, but you know I do it fucking better. And you know I make her fucking wetter than Jaws in the water during stormy weather, than Calvin Harris with the opposing gender. Poor Gore's got your daughter, so you better get her. She on that pole like Diplo, I got a sick hoe, she likes Diplo. Like Dylan Francis likes to get low, and like Son hold low, I got a sick flow. I can make any beat just like Skrillex, I swear I can make Justin Bieber feel it. And I can make Kicked Up really wanna steal it, then I can make Scooter Braun wanna sign a deal with it. Yeah, so what, getting lit like we Will Sparks, and we coming up like the modern day Mozart. Yeah, we getting lucky with the ladies like we're Daft Punk. This is how we party, rehab, it's a slam dunk. And we hear you G-Eazy, man, this shit ain't fucking random. Oops, not a DJ, but that motherfucker's handsome. Bout to be Darude and turn this beat into a sandstorm. Bout to switch it up and make this motherfucker transform. Transform, 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 transform. I'm on so many levels like a beachy game type. I can make dead mouse spell his name right. Turn up my speakers like the Afrojack. Where are you now when I need you, Jack? You, I'm all alone like a marshmallow. Haters try to block me like a remix Hello. Don't let me down like chain smoke, cause let's take a selfie, baby, get in closer. I'm a vet in this game, call me Tiesto. And just like Zed, working with the best ones. I'm just playing, let's be respectful. Under control like my man Alesso. So I can make your girl sing Bird Machine. Yeah, DJ Snake knows what I mean. And lastly, you know I'ma steal a show like Kygo's first team Firestone. Yeah, so what, getting lit like we Will Sparks, and we coming up like the modern day Mozart. Yeah, we getting lucky with the ladies like we're Daft Punk. This is how we party, rehab, it's a slam dunk. And we hear you G-Eazy, man, this shit ain't fucking random. Oops, not a DJ, but that motherfucker's handsome. Bout to be Darude and turn this beat into a sandstorm. Bout to switch it up and make this motherfucker transform. Transform, 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 transform.
Nah, fuck that.